What a pretty pony princess!
Hi everyone, welcome to my world of colors. Today I'm gonna color in my little bunny coloring page. Ta-da! This picture of Princess Cadance. I hope you guys follow along with me. So I won't keep you any longer. Let's go to start it.
Okay, so let's start on her face first. She has purple eyes. Let's color in her theory yellow with purple gemstones on it. And let's color in her horn and her skin purple pink. Next, I'm gonna color in her shoes and her snake lace yellow. Cadance has a blue cutie mark. And let's color in her hair cream, dark pink and yellow. I'm finished color in Cadance. Let's color in her name down here, yellow. Lastly, let's make her border blue. And our finished color is Princess Cadance. Next, let's decorate the picture to be brightly with wrinkle stickers. and I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so pretty. Princess Cadance just looks so beautiful. She is one adorable princess.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have fun in my world of colors. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get the newest fun video I make. I'm Harry P from World of Colors. Have a fun day and I will see you next time. Bye!